Welcome, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Al Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class 2. Today's topic is it's ascending order repeat class. Okay, as this is a repeat class, you have no homework today. Your lecture number is 39 for the half yearly examination. Okay, now let's start. Okay, our topic is ascending order. The question will arise in your exam like this: arrange the following numbers in ascending order. We need to arrange this number in ascending order. Ascending order means we need to arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. I repeat, we need to arrange these numbers from smaller to greater. How should we arrange? Look, this is our solution. Okay, you should write down ascending order, right? Ascending order. Now we will give a colon also here. Now we will write down smaller number to greater number. What is the smallest number here? To identify the smallest number, we should determine how. We will determine the place value of the greatest position. That means which is the positions here. Look, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousands place we have 2. In thousands place we have 2. 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 That means we can't determine by the thousands place value because all the thousands place position is 2 here. Now go to the next place. The next place here is 9 in the 100 place, 9 is in the 100 place, 5 is in the 100 place, 9 is in the 100 place, 9 is in the 100 place. That is, among this 5 number, my dear students, 5 is in the 100 place is the smallest because 5 in the 100 place means is 500 and the other numbers are 9 in the 100 place. That's why that numbers are bigger than this number. So this number is the smallest number. That means 2509 is the smallest number among these 5 number because it has 5 in the 100th place. So our first number will be 2509. Now cut this number from the question. Okay, we will consider now these 4 numbers. Okay, among these 4 numbers, all the numbers has 9 in the 10th place. So we should go to the next place value. Okay, in the next place value, look, my dear students, we have 5 in the 10th place, we have 4 in the 10th place, we have 8 in the 10th place, and we have 5 in the 10th place. Among these 4 is the smallest in the 10th place we have. That's why 2948 will be our next smallest number. Okay, because 4 is the smallest in the 10th place value. That's why we should write down the next number by using comma in between these two numbers. 2948 will be our next number and we should cut this number from the question. Okay, after that we need to find out the next smallest number. Look, my dear students, among these next 3 numbers we have 5 in the 10th place, 8 in the 10th place, 5 in the 10th place. Among these 3 numbers, 5 is the smallest one, but there are 2 5s. There are 2 5s in the 10th place. That's why we should go to the next number. That means we should go where? We should go to the ones place. Ones place we have 0 and one place we have 9. We don't need to go to the ones place for this number because this number is greater than this 2. Okay, because this number has 8 in the 10th place. That's why we will consider only this number and this number because these 2 numbers has 5 in the 10th place. Okay, now go to the ones place. It has ones place. We have 0 and this number has ones place 9. That means between these 2, 0 is the smallest. So our next smallest number is this one. Okay, so 2950 will be our next number. 2950 is our next number and immediate next number will be this one by given 5 numbers. Okay, it will be 2959. That means 2959 will be our 4th number. And our last number should be what? Our last number should be this one because this is the biggest number among the given 5 numbers. It's 2984. Okay, cut this number and write down 2984. Now, my students, look at the board. I have write down already the ascending orders because I have written down all the 5 numbers by arranging this one in ascending order. That means from smaller to greater I have already arranged. The numbers are 2509, 2948, 2950, 2959, 2984 is our answer. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear students. Your exam is knocking to the door. Please keep practicing more and more at home, okay, in all of the subjects. I hope you are all well in the at home, and you should stay home, stay safe. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.